Hello, teacher. My name is Elias Ortiz. I am going to talk about CAD tools and how they help us handle international contracts. But what are they? Unlike machine translation engines, CAD tools do not make decisions for the translator. Instead, they provide a workspace to segment the text. In other words, they allow us to work with much greater precision and keep total control over the final result. But what exactly are they for? On one hand, they create translation memories, which are databases that prevent us from starting from scratch every time. On the other hand, they allow us to manage specific glossaries so technical terms stay consistent. Consequently, this leads to better quality and a huge reduction in the turnaround times. In the tools, there are several options on the market like MQ or SmartCAD. Nevertheless, I believe Trados Studios is the most suitable tool for my professional path. This is because it is the global industry standard and offers the well-set file compatibility. And furthermore, its project management functions are the most powerful available today. To wrap, to wrap up, CAD tools are the perfect balance between speed and quality. In short, adopting the right software is the key to succeeding in a competitive market, and it's definitely the best investment I can make. Thank you for attention, teacher. Thanks.